Tashle, namaste. Today, your current feeling to your partner is I have taken all some cards. So, आपका feeling to your partner is fresh start. So you feel that you are loving to him or her. So I accept you will. I accept you with all flaws. You are my world. आप सोच रहा है आपका दुनिया है वो आपका पार्टनर जो है ना आपका दुनिया है सो यू आर एक्सेप्टिंग एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम हिम और हर सो श्योर ही इज़ योर वर्ल्ड सो फ्रेश स्टार्ट so your friends are jealous about you too so be careful your friends are jealous about you too so you both are communicating very well day night morning everything so maybe you distance relationship in a distance but you are jealous about your partner because you are in an anger issue so because I love you because you feel jealous and anger because I love you deeply that's why you are jealous and you think oxygen so you are my oxygen impossible to stay alive without you so you feel your partner is your oxygen today so rejuvenation means I am the happiest me when I am with you you feel that I am the happiest me when I am with you Lara so thank you for and like share subscribe claim and like share subscribe karo sab log jo whoever is watching this video so like share subscribe